snapping! Look out, the pipe burst! The irrigation seems correct based on the plan.
Yes, but we need to check the depth on the next section.
Look out, it's going down! The wires are snapping! Careful with the irrigation line down there. Make sure the soil is loose around the saplings. Look out, the pipe burst! Get back, quickly! Soil moisture is holding at 34%, but look at the air temperature.
44 degrees. The leaf surface is too hot. We are risking the crop.
What do you make of this, Samir? It's happening again.
Incredible. It sounds almost rhythmic.
Look at the pipe connection down there.
It's about to break with this wind.
We have to shut down the water flow now. These palms are already reaching 4 meters. We didn't expect this growth rate in the saline soil.
The irrigation system is working better than modeled.
120 days, the growth rate is unprecedented.
And the square shape holds.
The integration of the trellis system seems to be stabilizing the unique phenotype.
Yes, the 3.8 meter height on day 120 confirmed.
41% moisture despite the heat.
The drip system is working perfectly, Tariq.
Scan indicates uniform density across all facets.
Copy that. Prep for extraction.
It just cut out. We've lost the connection.
Is the data still there?
I can't tell through the static. Look at the height on these palms. The trench has stabilized the water flow.
It's remarkable progress for 120 days.